And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
The dome of heat shows up very, very well. Everything's moving up and around it there. The storms moving north of it, and then showers and storms on its underbelly here. Now, with time, it will contract a little bit. So as it contracts more, we'll get a few storms to sneak in, and eventually this cold front will swing through and bring us a cooler Labor Day weekend. This little kind of tropical-like system should stay away from our area, but it's going to bring some welcome rain to Texas. Now, for us, first of all, you can see the very active tropics here in the Pacific. There's a little disturbance right here, and the models take this into Mexico and then into Texas next week, and there are some indications this may try to get pulled up into our area mid to late next week, but there is some uncertainty about that. If that can happen, it could bring us some rainfall Wednesday or Thursday, but right now the trend is to keep it a little south of our area and keep us overall dry, but we'll keep an eye on that. That'll kind of be in the back of our heads getting into next week. But in the near term, it's a 74 tonight, with lows only at 71 to 75. A very warm night ahead. And bad air quality. We're going to have bad air quality tomorrow as well, but it's not only from ozone and pollen. This is smoke from these major fires burning in parts of South America. And we've got some fires now burning in parts of Arkansas and Mississippi. And this near surface smoke, smoke that you can smell, smoke that you breathe in, gives you a scratchy throat. That's moving into the area. So note the clock here. This is right into tonight and tomorrow. Some of that surface smoke is around, and we keep some of the smoke around at times even right into Wednesday as well. And it stays humid. Now, it looks like the highest humidity will likely be Wednesday evening and also Friday evening. Now, those two periods kind of coincide with the risk of some storms. Otherwise, it's still pretty humid. Dew points running in the upper 60s to near 70, but at least we don't have dew points up at 80 or 81 like we had back earlier this month, and then of course back in July. Tomorrow's a hot day at 97. The record's 102 set in 1881 with hazy sunshine, southwest breeze, 95 to 100 for highs. There are your highs: 95 Logansport, 97 Fowler, 97 here towards Delphi and Flora with your heat index anywhere from around 100 here to as high as about 105 and even as high as 110 or 112 out in our western counties. A few storms Wednesday early in the morning and Tuesday night, and then a few storms possible late in the day with a 95 on Wednesday, but highs vary from upper 80s up here to mid and upper 90s as you go southwestward with heat indices mid 90s to around 112. And we got the marginal risk for severe Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, and then we have the marginal risk for severe Wednesday night as well for the risk of an isolated severe gust or two. So real quickly, future cast again, we're okay tomorrow with the hazy sun. Again, watch this. Again, we get a few storms to come in weakening Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, and then later on Wednesday evening, we may get a few storms to refire in our area as well. All right, 94 on Thursday. It is drier then, but some scattered storms Friday with the marginal risk. And then it gets a little cooler and less humid for Labor Day weekend. And we'll watch for at least the chance of some of that rain getting in here later next week.